Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the brand new Rozyhip Nebula Collection, which is a stunning magnetic gel collection inspired by stellar lights, galaxies, and the beauty of cosmos. This collection will be officially releasing on Friday, so if you had your eye on any of these shades, today we'll be getting a closer look at everything included before launch day. I'm going to be unboxing the entire collection and taking a closer look at all 10 shades, and of course we're swatching every color so you can see how exactly these perform. But to really put these to the test, I'm going to be swatching each shade over a clear base and a black base. This way you can compare the depth, the sparkle, and that beautiful magnetic effect side by side. These shades are designed to create that perfect galaxy-like look, and these are really fun magnetic gels, and it gives you a lot of depth, and you're going to be able to do so many different things with this. It looks good, honestly, over any kind of base, but the real magic sets in here in just a moment with a black background. So if you've been wondering whether these magnetic gels are worth adding to your collection, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive into the new Rozyhip Nebula Collection. All right, just when you thought Rozyhip could not get any better, they definitely hit this brand new collection out of the park. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely everything we need in a cat eye. This is going to be a very beginner cat eye because you cannot go wrong with however you create your magnetic pull. So it's not like a silky or kind of like a pearl base. It's a really fun just glitter mixture. It's a combination of just fine glitters, some little like it kind of looks like a flake explosion in some of the colors. Some of them have some goldness to them as well. Very beautiful play of colors. The color story in here, we're pulling in obviously those perfect galaxy like blues, teals, purples. We have our pop of gold. We even have pops of brightness in here by giving us some coral and some pink tones. Overall, it's a very stunning collection and very, very easy to use. Now, for the purpose of the video today, I'm just going to show you what it looks like on a clear swatch stick because I felt like that's going to give you a good foundation. But like I said before, the magic, like you already see, comes into play when we get into a darker base. It doesn't necessarily have to be black. You could go in with a beautiful navy or just like a perfect like deep orchid color. Again, when you're doing your nails, options are endless. But if you are looking for a one coat galaxy coverage, this is going to be your collection because on the darker bases that we're swatching today, I'm only doing one coat. I'm only showing you the 2 coats on the clear. So it's a very magical, very easy to use collection. And if you've been struggling to get that ultimate galaxy look, this is going to be your new go-to. All right, so enough chit chat and let's just get into the rest of these beautiful colors so you can see how amazing this new collection really is. And then I'm going to pop back in at the end with my final thoughts on this out of the world galaxy collection. Alright, so if you made it this far, we just swatched all 10 of the brand new Rozyhip Nebula Collection. These colors are absolutely stunning. I cannot pick my favorite. They are all so good, but I will say I'm loving the dramatic effect that we are getting with that dark base color. It is absolutely stunning. It just brings those colors to life, and it just gives more of like a bold statement piece to me. I absolutely love this. So if you are interested in this collection, let me know what your favorite colors are. If you're going to be grabbing this, I would love to know. Also, this brand new collection is going to be dropping tomorrow. That is Friday, June 5th at 12 p.m. EDT or 11 a.m. Central Time. And if you are looking to grab this and looking to save a little bit more, you can always use my discount code Mallory10, and I'm going to link everything that you need to know in that description box below. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned. We have tons of fun nail looks that are going to be featuring this collection. And if you want to see a little sneak peek, check out my reel from yesterday. I did a little 5 colors on my hand, so you can kind of see what that looks like as well, not just on a swatch stick. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one.